Welcome to DIGITUS by ASSMANN, your specialist for network and server cabinets. Whether for data centers, offices, or industry, DIGITUS offers a diverse range of network and server cabinets assembled in Germany. Build to order. We manufacture customized cabinets exactly according to your requirements, individually configured, ordered online, and delivered just in time to the construction site. In order to meet the increasing demand for cabinets with constant availability, we have once again expanded our storage capacities and operate an additional warehouse at our main site in Lüdenscheid, where we manufacture our DIGITUS network and server cabinets for you. Highest quality, sophisticated design, maximum flexibility and stability, as well as a large selection of accessories. This is what DIGITUS has stood for since 1994. See for yourself and let us help you find the perfect network or server cabinet for your IT project. DIGITUS, your partner for professional data network technology.